Hey everybody, it's Hassan Jaffrey from Dover Rug & Home. We're here in the South End with my friends from Spalding Meier Interior Design.
We were lucky enough to work with Hassan on this project. It is an industrial loft project, sort of in the South End of Boston, and we relied on his Stuart Street Collection rugs, which are 100% wool, in the living room and the dining room and both bedrooms, because we felt like they were warm and comfortable and had really, really wonderful texture. Felt very modern and really helped enhance the space.
One of the great things about working with Hassan is that we can bring our clients into the showroom. We've worked with him, he collaborates, he's got his team there. You can flip through the selections, and he's really good at understanding what the design brief is, so we don't waste a lot of time, because people don't have a lot of time, but it enhances the client experience, and we know we can get custom rugs, quality rugs installed and delivered by one of the best.
And if you need to update and elevate your space, contact my friends Sean and Jeff.